It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Either way, I am so grateful that each and every one of you decided to stop by today and hang out with me for a little bit. I hope in today's video you will find some motivation and some inspiration to get some things tackled around your house. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an afternoon reset of the house. We're going to be going through most of the house and cleaning up, just picking up, getting everything put back in its place, as well as doing a little bit of laundry and some unpacking. We recently just took a long weekend trip, just one last trip before Haley went to school, so I need to unpack our suitcases and then get all of our clothes that we wore washed and put back away. If you are new, I do want to take just a moment to introduce myself. My name is Taylor Hardy. I'm a wife and a mom to 2 kids. My daughter Haley is 8 years old and she is about to go into the 3rd grade in just a week. And then my son Hunter is 2 and he is home with me all day, every day. So a lot of the times in my videos, you will see either both of them or at least Hunter running around. I try to involve him and he helps me as much as possible. But that is a little bit about me. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. We are starting to get into the fall and holiday season, so I think I'll have one more back to school video here on my channel next week, but after that, we are going to start diving into fall decorating and all things fall. So make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video.
Every day, 24/7, you call my name and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7, yeah, every day, I will come running, babe.
So if you're a stay-at-home mom like me and you have kiddos running around everywhere during the day, you will probably agree with me that around lunchtime your house is probably in a disarray and things need to be picked up and put away. You probably already have a sink full of dishes that need to be washed. And so this video is especially for those midday resets that we need to do on our houses. I really like to do a midday reset. Like I said, it needs it around 12 or 1 o'clock, but sometimes I wait until right before I'm about to start cooking dinner, just so when dinner is done, most of the house is picked up and I'll only have a few things to clean up in the kitchen. But today we're just starting out getting these dishes in the kitchen put away into the dishwasher. And then we're going to be wiping down just our surfaces here. My stove needed to be wiped down, so I did that as well. And then we're going to be jumping over into the bedroom to start unpacking that suitcase and putting away some laundry.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. wake up, leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The party won't stop till we're gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
So my bedroom is not too bad, as you can see. Like I said, we did just get back from a long weekend trip, and I cleaned the house really well right before we left. I hate coming home from a vacation or a trip and coming back to a messy house. That is just one thing I cannot stand. I think I got that from my mom because she's the same way. She would stay up cleaning the house until like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning the day before we would leave for vacation. But I did get a really good clean done before we left, so nothing is too bad. So that's why today's video is more of just a reset of my house, just cleaning up the daily things that we're using, the daily dishes that we're using, the toys that are out for the kids. But I needed to jump in here and at least make my bed and start unpacking the suitcase. So everything in the suitcase, or mostly everything, I think a couple dirty things slipped into the suitcase, but for the most part everything that's still in our suitcase is clean and just needs to be put away. All of our dirty stuff is in a trash bag that we kept in the suitcase on the way home, and then once we got here I just pulled that out, threw everything into the washer, and that is in the dryer as we speak. So as soon as I get done putting all these clothes out from the suitcase onto the bed, I'm going to go grab those from the dryer. That way we can fold and hang those as well while we are already working on some of this laundry.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing.
So I know a lot of you here on my channel, you guys have already gone back to school, or either maybe today may be your first day back, but I just wanted to check in and see how your new school year is going. I hope that your kids are loving it. I know my daughter, she's so excited to go back. We have 1 week from today left until she goes back to school, so I'm soaking up all that time that I still have with her. But let me know down in the comments how your kids are doing, how you're adjusting to the new school year. Just let me know how it's going for you and your family.
I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. You're the best thing.
'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing.
So you may notice I talk a lot in my videos about having my kids involved in as much as possible in the cleaning, and here's another example of things that you can do. So Haley is to the age now where I can give her her clothes that are folded up or laid out, and she can take them upstairs, put them away in her dresser, or hang them up in her closet. Hunter, of course, is too young, but he likes to be involved too, and I love to have him involved. So I'll give him like a small pile of his clothes, and he can take those upstairs and just set them down in his room, and I can meet him up there and put those away. It still is introducing the chore factor into his life and teaching him a little bit of a sense of responsibility, and he absolutely enjoys it too. So I definitely love taking those opportunities to teach my kids the reality of real life once you grow up and get older, of taking care of your house, and I definitely want to instill that in them.
I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saying.
So now that all those clothes are put away and my bedroom has been picked up, we're jumping over into the living room and just cleaning up some of the toys that the kids have been playing with this morning, as well as just folding up some blankets, putting those things away, just getting everything nice and neat back in here. So I'm going to go ahead and end out today's video here. I've got a few things left to do here in the living room, but after that we're going to be finished. I hope that you found some motivation in today's video to maybe take a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, to go through each room in your house and just do a quick little pick-me-up throughout the day. It really helps, especially if you're someone like me who likes to have a clean house whenever you go to bed at night to wake up to the next morning. Taking just those few minutes throughout your day to pick up a room will really help you not have so much to do at the end of the night when you're tired and you just want to go to bed. But anyways, I hope that you guys liked today's video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you guys in my video next week. Bye guys.